Good morning, students. Students, I am here with some more identity from the integrals. The first identity is integrate under root a square minus x square. Identity means later we shall use this as an formula. First step, multiply it by 1. Means under root a square minus x square into 1 dx. Now apply integration by parts. Consider under root a square minus x square as u, 1 as v. So apply the formula u into integration of v minus differentiation of u into integration of v and its whole integration. Integration of 1 is x, so it should be written as under root a square minus x square into x minus differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x, so it should be 1 by 2 under root a square minus x square, then multiplied with differentiation of a square minus x square. Differentiation of a square, students, is 0 because it is constant, and x square is minus 2x, and here integral of 1 is x, and its overall integration be there. Now we write further as x into under root a square minus x square. This minus and this minus together becomes positive. Integral of x square by under root a square minus x square dx. Now you have to integrate this one. In first step, I write here x under root a square minus x square plus, see here, this should be written as a square minus a square plus x square. So minus should taken as common, minus x square. Just add and subtract a square and write a square minus x square in a bracket. Now separate it into two integrals. Then our I should be written as, I means that integration, that question I should be written as I is equals to x under root a square minus x square plus integral of a square bata under root 1 under root a square minus x square. Since in numerator a square is constant, so it should be written like a square into 1 upon under root a square minus x square into dx, and the second integral will be written as minus a square minus x square by under root a square minus x square into dx. This is root, so it should be cancelled here. Root a square minus x square will be in numerator, so I should be written as x into under root a square minus x square plus a square, and this is in form of the formula of sine inverse x by a, so I write here this one as sine inverse x by a, and minus, it should be a square minus x square within root after cancellation. So see the students, This integration of a square minus x square is again your question that is to be evaluated. So it should be further written as I. So I am going to write here as I. In left side we have I is also I is equals to x into under root a square minus x square plus a square sine inverse x by a minus I, that quotient. So this I shifted to LHS becomes positive. So I plus I will be 2I is equals to x into under root a square minus x square plus a square sine inverse x by a, and finally I should be written as 1 by 2 into x under root a square minus x square plus a square sine inverse x bata a. This is your solution plus integral constant c. This is your solution, and in this way we will prove this identity. Now consider the second identity. The second identity is integrate under root x square minus a square. Again this is identity. Later we will use it as a formula, under root x square minus a square. The same procedure is applicable here like previous problem. So it should be written as under root x square minus a square into 1 dx like previous problem. Again apply u into v. Consider this one as u and 1 as v. That is in integration by parts. So it should be written as I is equals to u into integral of v. Integral of v means integration of 1, which is x, minus overall integration of differentiation of u. Just like previous problem, differentiation of root x square minus a square is first 1 upon 2 under root x square minus a square, and then differentiation of x square minus a square, which is 2x, into integration of 1, which is x dx. Again 2 and 2 should be cancelled here. So I should further be written as x into under root x square minus a square minus x and x together becomes x square by under root x square minus a square dx. Like previous procedure, subtract a square and add a square in the numerator, and write this one as one integral and second as another in two parts. So I should now be equals to x into under root x square minus a square minus integral of x square minus a square into under root divided by under root x square minus a square, minus into plus becomes again minus, integral of a square by under root x square minus a square. So this a square is constant, so take it outside integral. 1 by under root x square minus a square. Now this cancels. After cancellation, it should be I is equals to x under root x square minus a square minus integral of under root x square minus a square into dx. See here students, dx is left down, so write it, minus a square, and 1 upon x square minus a square is your formula, which is already proved, and its formula is log of x plus under root x square minus a square. Yesterday we have done so many problems based on this formula. Again this will becomes I, so write it as I. Hence I is equals to x into under root x square minus a square minus I minus a square into log of x plus under root x square minus a square. This I into left side becomes positive and it reduces to 2I is equals to x into under root x square minus a square minus a square log of x plus under root x square minus a square. And finally 2 comes right side on division. Finally your integration is I is equals to 1 by 2 x into x square minus a square minus a square into log of x plus under root x square minus a square plus integral constant c. This is your identity which we have used later as a formula. You must remember the value of identity, value of that question, but also you have to know what is the process to calculate the integration of such type of question. One more identity is here, so write down that identity. Integrate your next identity is integrate under root x square plus a square dx. These all identities will be derived by integration by parts having same process. Like I should be equals to integral of under root x square plus a square into 1 dx. Apply integration by parts here. integration by parts means under root x square plus a square as first function, or you can say u, and 1 is v. So write down accordingly that formula: u, that is x square plus a square into integration of v. First write down, just place on the formula, minus differentiation of under root x square plus a square into integration of v and its whole integration. Now write down their values. So integration of 1 is x, so hence I should be written as x into under root x square plus a square minus differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x, means 1 by 2 under root x square plus a square, and again differentiation of x square plus a square, which is 2x. So this is differentiation of u into integration of v. Integration of v is x and its whole integration. Here you will see that 2 and 2 should be cancelled, and numerator becomes x into x, that is x square. So it should be written as I is equals to x under root x square plus a square minus integral of x into x, that is x square, by under root x square plus a square into dx. Again add a square and subtract a square, then separate just like previous problem. Add and subtract a square and then separate it into two integrals. So I should be written as x into under root x square plus a square minus integral of x square plus a square by under root x square plus a square dx. Minus and minus together becomes plus a square, which is constant, so write it as outside integration by 1 by under root x square plus a square into dx. Now cancel this one. After cancellation this becomes under root. So in next step I write here x into under root x square plus a square minus integral of under root x square plus a square, which is again becomes I, plus a square 1 by under root x square plus a square. You know its integral is how much, because just last day we have done so many problems and also derived the formula, that is log x plus under root x square plus a square. This is derivation of, this is integral of 1 bata under root x square plus a square. Just like previous problems, this I comes to left side becomes 2i is equals to x under root x square plus a square plus a square log of x plus under root x square plus a square. And finally, I should be written as 1 upon 2 x into under root x square plus a square plus a square log of x plus under root x square plus a square plus integral constant c. So children, these are the overall identities. You have done 3 each of that special identities or special integrals. From next day we shall discuss some more problems from the topic. Next day we will solve problems only. Thank you.